Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a BMW M8 in car parking multiplayer. First, open the game and navigate to the garage. Select a car that closely resembles the M8's body style, such as a sports coupe. Then, access the exterior customization options. Focus on body kits and spoilers that give it an aggressive, sporty look. Finally, pick a metallic gray or dark blue paint to capture the M8's signature aesthetic. Next, let's enhance performance and handling. Go to the engine tuning section and install the highest tier upgrades for horsepower and torque. Don't forget to upgrade the transmission for quicker shifts. For wheels, choose a multi-spoke design, typically 19 or 20 inches in diameter, with low-profile tires. Adjust the suspension to lower the car by about 3-5 inches, giving it that iconic M8 stance. Now, let's refine the interior and add those crucial finishing touches. Inside, select sporty bucket seats, preferably in black or red leather, and carbon fiber trim accents. For exterior details, paint the brake calipers a vibrant color, like blue or red, and choose quad exhaust tips. Pay close attention to headlight and taillight designs to mimic the M8's distinctive lighting signature, completing the look. Finally, take your custom BMW M8 for a test drive. Check that all performance upgrades feel right and that the car handles as expected. Make any last-minute visual adjustments to perfect your creation. Remember, practice makes perfect in customization. Also, for more great deals and to check out that Owala water bottle, make sure to look at the links in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy driving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.